Hello, I'm Dion. I'm a lingerie and loungewear designer for the past 10 years, specializing in fit, some would say complicated fit. And today, we're going to take a look at my 10 most loved makes for 2021. If you are someone who's had trouble trying to find bras that fit, I hope to inspire you to try making your own. Let's get into it. This cup is called the Ashley cup. I really love this cup. It's one of my go-tos. It's full coverage and has a visible power bar along the sides. It's surprisingly very supportive, especially for women with large boobs. The flesh tone mesh really sets the stage for the design to pop with the black trim. The wing features a 4-row hook and eye, which is very helpful for women who want the extra support in the back and a little more back coverage. I love this bra because it's very functional, full coverage, lightweight, and still quite sexy. Okay, I love the black and nude theme. Can you tell? Well, sticking with that is this bustier, which I'm in love with as well. I mean, look at those girls. They're standing at attention, right? I love this type of fit. Round, directed to the front, but minimized. Yeah, most of my clients with large breasts, that's a big concern for them. They want a minimized, voluptuous look and feel. There are many hooks for amazing support and shaping. From the inside of the bra, you can actually see very clearly the power bar. That's a little bit tougher to see from the outside. The power bar provides direction. It keeps you from looking splayed and pointed east and west. You have adjustable straps, an underwire, and boning is hidden behind the trim. Here, the cup is transparent on the bottom and solid on the top. It also has an elasticated neckline. Here again, we have elastic straps to highlight the décolletage. I like that word. Next up is this beautiful, colorful bra. I'm in love with this one. I love this bra. It is also the Ashley cup. You see how just a change in fabrics and trim can give a bra a totally different look? I'm in love with the petite ruffle. I mean, you could use one pattern and make a complete bra wardrobe with it. this is really an everyday bra. It has no padding, as you can see. I love the print and the sheer mesh combination. Like with everything else, bra sewing becomes easy with practice. And literally, once you find your favorite bra pattern, the options are endless. Okay, tell me down in the comments if you're like me. I love a matching panty. In fact, when I find a bra that fits, I want 2 or 3 matching panties. Well, this pair is a hipster, meaning it sits really low on the waist. It's very lightweight, and it has the beautiful contrast of the print against the mesh, just like the bra. And it has quite a few other coordinating elements. I replicated the petite ruffle in the bra on the front panel. It has the sheer mesh that coordinates with the wing and a gold branding plate. The gusset is also coordinated to match the reds in the bra. It's very lightweight, breathable, and of course, very sexy. Can you imagine the fun that you would have putting your own style to this pattern? Beautiful. Okay, for all of my girly girls, this is the Bianca Corrine Bikini. Okay, this is a very fun piece. It's very girly. Yeah, it's very girly, but very sexy too. And might I add, very comfy? Very comfy. Girl, if comfy and sexy had a baby, this is it. This is made out of silk. So while you might think the ruffles will show through, if you're wearing something very thin, then maybe. These are really simple to make. It's just 3 pieces, the front, the back, and the gusset. You'll spend probably most of your time applying the elastics. But you could probably get this done in about 30 minutes. How cute, right? Now for the slippers. They are made with a combination of satin and silk, fleece, and non-skid soles. Perfect for chilly nights. You can make these in about an hour. These are favorites too. This Monokini I had the pleasure of designing for a client that has the cutest little petite frame, but she was a bit busty. So we did this with an underwire. It was very supportive and fit her beautifully. And of course, like many other makers, I made thousands upon thousands of face masks over the year. It had gotten to the point where clients wanted more than function. They wanted them for weddings and for galas and other special events. Then came the sleep mask, which not only became a favorite, but is very often a pattern that I use to teach beginners how to sew. If you are interested in any of these patterns or want to learn how to sew bras or loungewear, hit me up. Like and subscribe and share if you care. Thanks for watching.